The statement of the president is the removal of system loss and the VAT on system loss. Hindi po yung buo po na VAT sa bill natin. And how soon? We are set to meet with ERC and NEA to plan out how to implement this. It has to go. We have to assess electric co-op to electric co-op. Mga 100 din sila, higit sa 100. And we have distribution utilities, yung mga private. So, kada isa kasi kailangan yan isa-isahin. Because kung gusto mo tanggalin yung mga pilferage, pwede yan. Pero yung technical, kailangan ayusin yung mga capital outlay nila or infrastructure. So, that might take time lang.
So pwede ba, Sec, na ang tatanggalan lang ng system loss na hindi papasa sa consumer ay yung mga kumikita? Kasi magkaiba yung nature nila eh. Meralco is profit-driven while the electric cooperatives are non-profit entities. So wala talaga silang perang pansaludo, di ba?
I don't think it's about whether it's private or electric co-op. Some electric cooperatives can manage with a 5% system loss, while others, merong iba na mas mataas, 10, 16%. That has to be stopped, no? Kailangan yan efficient ang electric co-op. There are efficient electric co-ops and inefficient electric co-ops. Regardless kung private man or co-op siya, no? So meron talaga dyan na hindi nagpa-perform ng maayos. So yun yung point titignan.
So ibig sabihin, Sec, hindi pala tatanggalin ng buo yung system loss. Ibig sabihin may porsyento na maiiwan o akala ko ang utos ng presidente, tatanggalin yung buong system loss, technical man or non-technical.
Yes. Buo ang the whole system loss is what was the directive of the president na i-remove. Hindi partial, hindi yung non-technical lang, kundi yung buo po, technical and non-technical.
So kailan yung reasonable time? Sorry, last. Kailan yung reasonable time to expect na matutupad ito? Kasi sabi nung iba, madaling mangako. But kailan namin mararamdaman yan? Maybe a rough estimate before the year ends, next year, or kailan po ba?
I would say before the next SONA, 1 year.